Oh, press the fucking thing again. Oh my god, let's do it again. Kieran. Don't hurt him. Go on, do your squats. 1, 2, 3. Where are you doing your robot now? Hey, I like your robot. Look at that cheeky bumblebee. Let's do your robots for Grandad and I'll send it to him. Look at his robot. You need to walk now like a robot as well. Good on you. Now you do robot. Go on, you do robot. Yeah, I'll show you. Look. You look like from the living dead or something. Ray! Is that for Grandad?
Yeah.
You do that. Do that, not that one. Do that one like that.
I've never done that.
Okay, do that then. Please, Grandad, please.